Alright guys, so just we replaced that temperature gauge, so just wanted to make sure that that was working. Double check our timing. We put some fuel in the tank, so yeah, we're at half a tank. Tach's working. We're good there. Just double check the timing, all that good stuff. So that's about where we're at for now. Yeah, so we just double check the timing on everything here and bump the idle speed up a tiny bit. It does take a little bit for the idle to catch. I think the cam is too big to idle down below like 900 RPMs. It was trying to idle at about 800 and wanting to stall out until it got warm. So I just made a slight little idle adjustment, and you know, the mixture screws just to see what that did a little bit. But I richened it up a little bit more on the idle. And then here is so here's the temp gauge that we took out. As you can see, where it started to melt right here from the ribbons on the back of the cluster getting crossed. But real easy to replace. You just pull your cluster out, take the front cover off, and then on the back there's obviously two little nuts. You slide it out, put the new one in, and you're good to go. So this was I wanted to make sure it worked. This is the box that came in from National Parts Depot. It is so it's a Ford part number 83 to 88 temp gauge. I think it was about 26 bucks. So anyway, I wanted to make sure that worked before we missed our return window, and it seems to be working fine. So now I got to restore the rest of the gauges because the other ones are all sun faded. LMR sells a kit with new backing decals and the orange paint for the needles, but I don't have enough to get an order for free shipping just yet, so that can wait. And then just double check the timing. We're locked out at 32 degrees. We do have a 10-degree timing start retard in there, so it'll start over easy. And then yeah, I just took the air cleaner off to make the curb idle adjustment. And we had double checked our fuel pressures at 6 pounds, so that's good. So all in all, looking pretty good, guys. And we'll be going from there. So that is the update on the 349 carb swap. Got all the gauges working except for the factory tach. I wish I knew how to make that work with an ignition box and a tach adapter of some sort or what have you. But I like that. I like that autometer's just fine. It's not too big. So we'll be out there. We'll take it around the block here probably sometime this weekend, and we'll go a little more than quarter throttle and continue the break-in process. All right, guys. Hope everybody's having a great week and getting ready for fall. Hoping football season started, so hope everybody's been enjoying that so far. All right, thank you.